Afternoon, everyone. Is it? Oh, it definitely is, isn't it? 5 to 3. Right, I'm just going to show you a flower that I've not done for a long while, but it's using that gorgeous material, that lace. Now, if you had this in your parcel, I do have other videos out on what to do with it, and I've just cut them roughly, well, I'll tell you how much. 4 inches wide. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I'm really sorry. I've been up since 6 o'clock. I've been working, sorting my room out, doing kits, doing orders, and I'm absolutely shattered. And it's not time for bed yet. It's 10 centimetres wide or 4 inches long. Now, all you do, I hope my glue gun's nearly ready, is you hold it like that and just cross it over. Just cross it over so it makes that kind of a petal. And then what you need to do is just glue that a bit. Haven't got my new glue gun, girls. I can't find the adapter. Okay. So you've got like a crown type of thing. Right, like that. So you just want to make, we'll start with 6 of those because you may want to change them. Yeah, we're doing it that way or that way. No, we're going to do it that way. That's it. So keep going. Make sure you just cross them over in the points. That's all you have to do. You only need a tiny wee bit of glue. That will hold it. Like that. Now I have got one of these flowers. I've got some feather. I've also got a bit of bling because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the middle. We'll just see how we get on first. I like to see what the flower looks like before I decide that. Now, if you're not panicking, if you're debating whether to get those lace kits or not, please think about it. All the kits I do are very, very cheap, and I made a mistake with the price. It should be £20, and there's 35 laces in that kit. You know, and nearly all of them are a yard or a metre. So that's a really good buy. And I know people say, yeah, it's not as much as what's in our other kits. But no, not every kit's the same. I generally do the lace kits for that price. You know, if you're looking to get one of the other kits that's got lots more in or lots of different things in, you know, then you're lucky to get them. That's why they sell out so fast. But, you know, don't hesitate if you want the lace kit, because you are getting a lot of laces for that price. So I just wanted to say that because I don't want people to miss out if just because they're hesitant at the moment. Because all my kits are different. I might not do another kit like the bling ones and that for a while. I probably will. But I'm just saying. Right, oh, I've got all that string bit all over me. Now, what I need to do is just cut a square out for the back. I'm going to cut that into a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. And then what we're going to do is now attach these. Okay. So just run the glue right across the back like that. And do one. Do them on the edge if you can. So we've got that. Then turn it around, do one opposite to that. Like that. Turn it round and we'll do these two sides. Like that. Turn that round again. And do that. And don't worry about anything else, they're fine. We're going to need 2 more. Of course we are, Fee, you cut them wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, cut that. 3, 4, cut that. like that. Turn it round so you've got like the crown facing you. Now what we're going to do is going to go across there like that. Turn that round. Make sure you got that in the centre. And we do that one. Just overlap them. That's fine. These are so easy. Just going to overlap that slightly. And you do that. And you've ended up with that. And they've got like, well, what do I call it? Hexagon? Is it not hexagon? Oh, I can't remember. Quadrilateral, something like that. Oh no, I don't know. One of those with corners on. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix on this gorgeous feather. So turn that over, and you will have to do another one of these. Like that. Just going to cut another one. I have got some spray as well. I'm going to find the spray. Here we go. So that's the feather there. So what I'm going to do is just lay that at the side of it. Like that. I've got another feather here. And that is a little bit long, so I'm just going to snip that. Now if you look at feathers, they've got a natural curve. They curve that way, you know. They're not always straight. But they also have, that's the back of the feather, you can tell. And that is the front, because it's kind of arched. And that's the side you want to glue and then turn it upside down onto your project. So what we're going to do is just overlap the bling at the front, because you want that to stand out, of course. And then what we're going to do is pop on the back. So that secures everything. See, like that. Really pretty, isn't it? Now, I do have these. They're made from beads and metal. I'm not sure what I want to do. So I could do that. But I always like flowers. I just love flowers in my projects. And I just, look, it's just perfect, isn't it? So that's all we're going to do is pop on. And you've got a shabby chic flower. Stunning. So I hope you like that. They're very easy. You can do that with any lace, any ribbon or lace that is straight. And it looks just as good. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.